So this is just some hours after the last time I recorded, after the last video, and we can see that for Euro NZD it just kept going and going and going. It's not retreating. Okay, and the last time we were here, the market was at this point, and we were hoping that it's going to retrace to this point so that we enter for a sell. But it seems it's not retracing to our point, and the market has been selling since then. So let me see. Let me look at daily to see where our overall target is. So it hasn't reached our overall target anyways. And what if I drew a pattern like this, or a trend line rather, like this, from this low to this low, that's touching this guy and this guy, right? So if I did this, we'll see that Euro NZD has reached a point where it might reverse, okay? Because we can see that it touched here, 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 and the market has now touched here. So right now, my prediction would be that, or my prediction is that the market will kind of reverse first, okay, before selling. But again, on the second note, we can see that if it reverses to this point, it might as well keep reversing to come and test this point. Okay, so we have to be very careful in this place. Go back to my 1 hour. We have to be very careful in this place, because this might have just turned into a buy trade. Okay, I'm still going to wait. I'm not going to modify my order yet. So let me just try drawing Fibonacci from here to here, and okay, so no problem. Let's look at our trades so far. These are our trades so far, and the ones running right now are the ones for USD CHF. We are still in a drawdown. You can see that the market came and even came to our entry position, and then started selling again, and just everything has been kind of messed up so far. So hopefully, guys, the buy market is still valid, at least till this point, okay, so that we can get out of this trade. And we can see that the trade on GBP CHF took us out. So when I just go to my account history now, you can see that it took us out in profit. Okay, profit of $11.89, and yep, took us out because we were trailing the trade, right? And at this point, I know that my overall target is up. That's for this guy, for GBP CHF. I know that my overall target is up, but I kind of feel that the market might retrace. To retest this level. Remember, we have a level here. Let me just add the shape. Yeah, remember we had a level here that was broken. So the market might retrace to retest this level. Okay, let's put a line here and see where the level stops at on our daily time frame. So we can now see that it will then be a simple retracement, that if it really goes down to retest, okay, and maybe it's going to go down to retest and then finally keep going up and end today as a buy. Okay, today has been a massive buy so far, and hopefully the market might come and hit our overall target from our previous trade. Okay, so either hit it today or tomorrow. So my prediction right now is to enter a buy trade, but in a lower place, right? So hopefully, if the market retraces to this point, we should be looking to enter a buy trade at around this point, so as to buy it again to the upside. Okay, so that's what I'm looking to do. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just place a buy trade here. Just place a buy trade here. Okay, this point, and then this point, and then the stop loss will be at this point. Stop loss of, let's say, 85 pips. Okay, stop loss of 85 or 90 pips. So go to my first calculator, GBPCHF, account size 1000, ratio 3, stop loss 90 pips. Let's calculate and see 0.03. Okay, 0.03. So what I'll do is I'll place the trade with 0.02, and then if I see that it goes against me again, maybe take me to a better buy position, I'll just enter another one, 0.01, just like we did the other time. So copy, and then new order 0.02, pending order, buy limit, paste, and please. Now I can delete my horizontal line, and okay, I haven't placed my stop loss and my take profit. So for this guy, I'm just going to copy the stop loss value here, new order, a new order, modify our order, stop loss, and then for the take profit, I'm going to come here, properties, and take profits, then modify, delete my shape. So this is my point of confluence, which I'm looking out for. So I'm looking out for a retracement to this level, and then finally a buy. Okay, let's just adjust my position a bit. Okay, so far so good. I think we are set. So we are set to enter another buy when it retraces to this point. Remember I said we should always aim to be one step ahead of the market. Okay, we should always aim to be one step ahead of the market. So we do not treat the current runnings of the market, but we should look to always trade the next move. Okay, we should look to always predict the next move. So for these ones, I really don't understand what's trying to play out here. Okay, I really hope it goes in our favor and we get out of this trade in a profit. So far so good. We are in a profit. That's for our balance. We are back to $1,000 and $1,002, and if only this trade had continued, you see, we would have even been way above $1,010. Okay, only that this guy got where is it? This guy, okay, this one got stopped out the other time. So if only this trade had continued, we would have been $1,010 maybe. But we'll see how these other two end up, right? And then let me just check. Okay, this one we are waiting for it to retrace, right? and we also looked at it here. That's here, and we saw that it has touched this trend line. And let's just wait to see what happens. We won't modify our order for now. So one other thing we could see, one other possible thing we could see, okay, sorry, since my network is having some issues, one other possible move we could see is we could see it break this guy here. So if it breaks this level, then that's very serious. Because if it breaks this level, we'll then be looking to enter when it retests the level. But I am kind of skeptical about it breaking this level for now. Okay, so I think it's going to retrace, and even if it's going to break that level, it should retrace before breaking that level. Okay, but if we see a clear turnaround, then maybe the market wants to go up to either test this level or test the retracement here and maybe start coming down. Okay, we'll just see how the whole thing plays out. Okay, we'll see how the whole thing plays out. But today seems to be a very active day, and we can see that GBP is strong, and I think Euro is also strong. Sorry, Euro. No, not Euro, NZD. I think, yeah, NZD is strong. You can see it, NZD is strong. Euro is also kind of strong. So because of this combination, Euro and NZD, it's actually going to be hard for you to break this level. That's what I feel, because Euro is strong, right? So it might be hard for you to break this level. So it might just kind of retrace. Let's look at gold and see what's happening. Now, for gold, we could not retrace yet. We could not retrace yet. Go to 4 hours. So see what's happening with gold. Okay. So we cannot retrace yet. The last time we were here, the market was around this point, and it came up to this point. So it's possible to see a retracement for gold. It's possible to see a retracement for gold. So maybe gold will still retrace. I'm still looking forward to a retracement on gold. Okay, to at least this level. So maybe I'll just move my gold buy limit order a little bit forward, maybe a little bit forward. Okay, yeah. So gold AUD USD. So let's look at AUD USD and see what's happening. I can see a retracement on AUD USD. Yeah, so we now have this 4 hours finish as an inside bar. So that's a reversal candle, right? And hopefully we are going to have a retest of our level here and then a buy. So AUD USD is so far going in our predicted direction. It has broken and it's coming to retest, and hopefully when it retests we buy. Okay, and then which one else? Okay, GBP CHF was the one we just placed. For GBP CHF, we placed our new trade here, hoping that the market will retrace and then we buy. So far so good. You can see that USD CHF is currently going quite against us. And the other time I drew a pattern here on this. Okay, let me just go to trading view, guys. Go to trading view. So USD CHF. So I drew this pattern here, and hopefully it's going to follow this pattern. So this is the pattern I drew. This. Okay, so this is the pattern I drew. So hopefully we're going to see it play within this pattern and then break out to the top. Okay, so that's the direction I'm predicting for USD CHF. it's going to maybe play within this pattern, this rising wedge, and then buy to put us in profit. But it's also possible that it just wants to sell. Okay, so if it wants to sell and eventually breaks these lines, okay, this one and this one, we'll then take losses around here, but hopefully it won't get to that. So basically that's my analysis of the market so far, and I'll just stop recording and see you in the next one. Bye.